Hi everyone, this is Tiana. Today I'm going to be talking about our 2-in-1 image shrinking stamper set and show you why you actually need this stamper and how it's used. So if you have tiny nail beds, maybe the nail stamp design is too big. You're not gonna fit all of these beautiful designs. So I'm gonna show you how to shrink your images. Take this stamper out of its holder, and I'm just gonna lay that squishy stamper on top of the cap evenly and pick up the stamp like how you normally would, like that. Firmly push down the edges of your squishy stamper, stamp the design, and then shrink it. Take this head, you are now gonna put it into the holder here and stamp the design. Wow, look at that. Look at how small the design comes out. What a huge comparison. Hope you guys found it to be extremely helpful.